Hello guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add payment method in Stream. So guys, for that, go to your Stream app, then tap on the question mark option. Now swipe down and go to account details. Now tap on add a payment method to this account. And guys, from here you have to write here your card number, also the expiration date and security code, and then you have to write here your billing information, the first name and the last name, and also the billing address and billing address line 2, your city name and zip or postal code, and then you have to select your country, and also you have to enter here your phone number. And after finishing or fill up all the settings, you have to just tap on the continue option, and then your payment method will be added on your account. So guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.